So right now here you can see I am using Elon Musk face, and if I want to change it to, let's say, Putin, it is also possible, although probably Mr. Putin do not have this much amount of hair. Now let me jump into another one. This is, I guess, President of Belarus, and we also have option to make ourselves look like Kim of North Korea. Not only that, we can also change our face to anyone, and now it look more like Biden. Although I would say the Biden face does not match perfectly, but there are some tweaks that we need to do, and then the face will look like Biden. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham, you are watching Technoholic. In this video, we will see how we can download and install this AI powered face changing software, in which you can also use DeepFake model. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, now we are in our computer screen, and in order to download it, what we need to do here is we need to open following GitHub page. And not to worry guys, I'm gonna also provide you this page in the description of this video. Now what we need to do here is, let's go down, and here you have got this package. Just simply make a click here, and this will basically take you to this mega.mz site. From here you can download the latest package, which is this one. So let me select this package and then click here on these three dots, and then I'm gonna make a standard download. And there we go. Here we can see the download process has begun. In this way guys, we will able to download this whole package. After downloading this package, open it and make a double click on it, and then here we need to extract. Now after extracting it, let's open this folder and make double click on this DeepFace live.bat. Now here what we need to do is we need to click here on camera source and turn it on. Now from here you need to select your camera. So in my case the camera is this easy cap, and there we go. Now I'm gonna keep the resolution as it is. In case, if you have got better hardware, then we can increase the resolution, but for the time being, let's keep it as it is. Also in case of FPS, let's keep it as it is. Now here we have got rotation setting, which you can adjust based on your need. Now let's click here on this face detector and turn it on. Make sure that this is green. Now from here you can select any one of these. Again, I'm gonna keep it the same, which is YOLO V5. Now from device, let's select your GPU. So here I am selecting my GPU. Now again you will find more setting. I'm gonna keep this window size as auto, and let's keep all these things as it is. Now let's go down here. In case of face aligner, here we have got these three options to recognize face. I'm gonna keep from point, and then let's keep all these settings as it is. Now after that, here we have got the setting of face marker. Here you can choose any one of library. I'm gonna select the default one, which is Google Face Mesh. Now let's again click on device and select your GPU, and we will also see how these other library perform, but for the time being, let's keep it as it is. Now here you have got these three options to generate image. So let's start with this face swap, which only require a still image to swap our face. And from device, again I'm gonna select this NVIDIA GPU, and let's click here on Face ID, and let's click here on face. And now here you can see some of the faces which actually use still image to replace. So here you can see some of still image, and obviously you can also add your own image or the image that you would like to add. Here you can see the size of this image is 556 by 556. So I would suggest you to start with this resolution. Let me see if other image also have got same resolution. No, so seems like we just required a square image. So let's also download one square image. Okay, so let me actually type here Narendra Modi. Okay, and let's find his square image. Yep, this one seems square. So let's download this image as well. And I'm gonna also save it to the same location. For the time being, I'm gonna save it at my desktop. And now I can save that image here. Okay, now let's close this, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna select one image. Okay, so let's start with Elon Musk, and here we need to click on this face adjuster, and there we go guys. Here we can see our face is now getting detected, and we can see it look like Elon Musk. And before we actually see the output, let me talk about more settings. So here we have got this frame adjuster, which will help you to tweak certain settings. Then here also, in case of face merger, I would suggest you to go with NVIDIA GPU, or whichever the faster device you have. And then here you can see the remaining settings. So I'm gonna keep all these settings as it is. Now let's go to this stream output. So here is the final one, and let me actually have this window which shows us how the output look like. So still probably just processing. Okay, I think I need to select, so I'm gonna select merge frame, and there we go guys. Here we can see I look more like Elon Musk, and then we have got these options to tweak. So I would suggest you to play with these options that will give you a better fine-tuned result. And then we actually also have downloaded a picture of Prime Minister Modi, and seems like it only support PNG. So let me actually have a look if I can find it. Okay, image.jpg. And there we go guys, I look like Prime Minister of my country. And the reason why it does not look that decent, because of my hair. So if I hide my hair, now you see the result. The result is much more better than before. So I would suggest you to use some kind of hair cover that will kind of hide your hair, and then that's how you will able to achieve more accurate result. Now actually we have got these three modes, and probably this one could work best, which is DeepFake model. So now instead of using just a still image, which generally will swap the face, let's enable face swap with DeepFake modeling. And here also I'm going to use device as my GPU, and from model here we can see we have got some of model. For example, let's say I would like to use, who is the one having good hair? This model definitely don't have Dean Weasel. So I would say in this particular case you need to teach and create a deepfake. Sometime we also can have these DFM model or deepfake model available on internet. You can download them and can place it inside this folder where we are about to download this Vin Diesel model. Let's wait for the download to get completed, and there we go. Finally, I am getting my face like Vin Diesel, and if I again try to hide my hair, then probably you can see it now more look like a Vin Diesel, or whatever the name of that actor is. I do not watch movies too often, so I do not know the exact name of this celebrity, but I definitely can recognize him because of his famous movie Fast and Furious. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such productivity and AI related video. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.